Welcome to our in-depth review of the OnePlus Buds 3. We'll analyze its features, pros, cons, and pricing to help you decide if these earbuds are right for you. The OnePlus Buds 3 sets a new chromatic standard, delivering flagship-level performance in the mid-range market. Key highlights include a dual dynamic driver system and 49 decibels smart adaptive noise cancellation. Experience studio-grade sound with dual drivers for deep bass and clear highs, high-res audio supporting the LHDC 5.0 codec, and Audio ID 2.0, which creates a personalized sound profile for your ears. Silence the world with up to 49 decibels of adaptive ANC, which adjusts automatically to your surroundings. Transparency mode also allows you to stay aware of your environment without taking the earbuds out. These buds have the power to keep going, offering 44 hours of total playback, 10 hours from the buds alone, and 7 hours of music from just a 10-minute charge. The design is ergonomic and durable, featuring a sleek premium case and convenient touch controls. They are also IP55 rated, meaning they are resistant to water and dust. There are many reasons to buy the Buds 3, including excellent audio, powerful ANC, and great 44-hour battery life. Other pros include a comfortable fit, dual connection, and convenient volume slide controls. The main downsides include the lack of wireless charging and an ecosystem lock, meaning the best features are reserved for OnePlus phones. You may also find the case a bit slippery and need the Hey Melody app for full customization on other devices. Based on user feedback, the Buds 3 has an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. Users praise the bass and battery life, though some mention minor connectivity issues. The Buds 3 offers premium features at a mid-range price, costing around 5,499 Indian rupees. This makes them a strong contender in the quote flagship killer territory for audio accessories. Compared to competitors like the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, the OnePlus Buds 3 holds its own, especially with its dual drivers and LHDC 5.0 codec support. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions about the OnePlus Buds 3, please refer to the product documentation or online reviews. The image sources for this video are displayed on the screen now for your reference.